Welcome to SpiceCandies. We're making sour sticks, and we're making honey sour sticks. So let's get to it. We've reached the right temperature. Let's add the flowers. Right, I think we're ready to pour. I'll just let it sit for a few minutes before it hardens, and then we'll pour. Right, it has thickened a bit. Not as pliable as before, and I think it could pour. For some unobvious reason, this honey candy has a wonderful honey tone. And laughing because when I was a kid, and still today, commercial honey candies contain about 0.2%, 0.2% honey, sometimes 0.1%. We have, let me think, about 20%, give or take. Actually, I've been thinking of trying to make a near 100% honey candy. I have tried it before and it didn't work quite well, but let's try it again. Right, let's let it cool off and see how it does in a minute. Right. Let's see how it behaves. This is fairly rigid, by the way. Okay. Bit sticky. But all in all, it's very pliable. Very nice. I think we didn't miss the right temperature. Right, a lot of cutting to do. Let me get all that cutting done and I'll get back to you. This one goes to work. This one's for the kids. We don't need as much for the kids, obviously. There are only 2 kids. And several guys at work, so plus I don't want to pay too much for the dentist services. Just kidding. Alright, let's get that sugar powder, icing sugar all over the place. Right, that's it. That's all there is to it. Well, there we go. We got honey sour sticks. They're not really sour, but they're definitely honey. Lots and lots of honey. Pliable, very nice, very cute. And that's all there is to it. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. and I'll let you know in the description below if people liked it or not. Alright, they're my control group or test group. See you soon. Have a sweet day.